Welcome to our today's video where we measure safety relevant features of a battery foil. In detail, we will measure the thickness and width of a stripe of ceramics deposited directly next to the active material. For this measurement task, we make use of two types of sensors, a point sensor mounted on a gantry as well as a flying spot scanner. And both sensors make use of the interferometric measurement technique. But what is this stripe of ceramics good for? The answer is as follows. In general, there's a separator between cathode and anode, and this separator might be made of polypropylene, PP. However, this material deteriorates at temperatures above 110 degrees C. In order to increase thermal stability, some layers of ceramics, such as aluminum oxide, are deposited on both sides of the separator. As an alternative, this layer of ceramic or aluminum oxide can be deposited directly on the electrodes. And this is the example what we have here. We have stripes of aluminum oxide next to the active material. With our sensor, we can now measure the thickness and the width of the stripe of ceramics, and we can even identify surface defects such as holes.